Here's how to fix location access needed for weather app in iPhone. The first thing you want to do is launch open settings. Now here you want to scroll down and find the option of privacy and security. Select that. Here find location services. Go ahead and select that. If this location services option is toggled off, first of all you want to enable it. So for that, toggle this option on. Once it has been toggled on, you will find a list of applications here. From this list, find weather, then select it. Now you have a couple of options here such as never, ask next time, while using the app or widgets, and always. You can either select always or select while using the app or widgets. I'm going to select always. Now if you want to enable precise location, make sure to toggle this option on. Once you do that, you can simply head back. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.